So a buddy of mine, he fixed my 3D printer for me after I helped him cast a new lead screw nut for his mill last summer. So he's coming back. He needs a nut for his lathe now, I believe. He's bringing me back my printer. So I just got this blank drag made up. I've built an extended cope because he needs a pretty tall. He just needs really a blank to machine a cylinder. So yeah, I thought I'd start getting it ready while he's on his way here. Screw in here. It's all just gonna barely come to the top of the mold. He just was saying we'll just do an open mold, less hassle for me, but it's not really a lot more hassle to put a sprue in it, or any. It'll make it a lot better, a lot more sound of a casting for him. Maybe shouldn't have filled it all the way up. I'm not used to such deep mold. Well, they're all buried now, but maybe try to be gentle. Hopefully I can find them without causing too much damage. There's one. What's the other? Oh, there's a chunk of something down the sprue already. Oh, that's got to get blown out. Just gonna make a print of where the runner is real quick. Screw is on the left. All right. Now I can see where the runner is there. So now we're going to gate in so that the metal will swirl around, and I guess the theory is that any oxides and junk will get centrifuged out to the edges. And the good clean metal will be in the middle. Once he turns it to clean it up, should be only the good metal left. Come in on a tangent like this. That all looks clean to me. Yeah, we're good to go. So as soon as it gets there, start melting.
Well, molten with a lot of dross in there.
A lot of dross?
Quite a bit.
And you think I need to bring more copper? I can bring more.
It's only up to about there. It's on the. Yeah, it might be a good idea. Good idea to leave it molten like this, but we had less copper than he thought. He's bringing some back in the car now. It's nice to get the crucible like half full, just so like there's a freeze before we get to the mold at least, you know? Yeah, if there's more, I would like to do it.
Yeah. No, I have that.
Good.
Right, yeah. More?
Let it melt down a bit so we can see where the level
Yeah,
is.
sure.
And then we'll see if we need more.
Whatever works.
More than enough. Yeah, more than enough.
More than enough. Good, good. It's better than having not enough, yeah. You will be milking your stuff?
Correct?
Your own stuff or?
Oh, I poured it with some from out. You can. I just want to see if it works. But everything's done.
Okay.
Now I just gotta put some hard work. I have so. Oh, I'm so disorganized today.
Jeez. Wow. It's still pretty hot. I've gone a bit early to open them up. Looks like it came out alright though. That should turn down and clean up pretty nice, I think. The junk up at both ends, but a little cleanup to do, I suppose.
Yeah, it's okay. I will.
Jeez, look at
Wow,
this.
it's hot.
Yeah. So we might be pushing it just a little on opening them up this early. We wound up making a bunch more bronze than we actually needed. He had a bunch of copper and some, I don't know where it came from, but it was some kind of a lead tin alloy that he had weighed out the right amount of to make the bronze he wanted for his nut. Anyway, there was we ended up making some extra, so I poured a couple of hook-shaped ingots with the leftovers. These are just some molds I made up the day before, just to test out, see if I could get these old coat hooks to cast. I like them better than the new ones you can get. They're nicer. They seem less likely to break or poke a hole in your head if someone slams the door at the wrong time than some of the ones I've seen. They came out pretty nice. I nicked this one a little bit, cutting them off the gates, but I think sand them or polish them up, they'll get through that and you won't notice it. Yeah, now I have some better hooks for some of my doors and so forth. I might make a bunch more.